What's going on, everyone? This is Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today we're going for a drive in this 2023 Audi S3 Premium Plus. This vehicle is powered by a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder with 306 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque. Made it to a 7-speed S-tronic automatic transmission. You can do 0 to 60 in roughly 4.5 seconds. So this is like the S3 is a nice little car to get around in every day. Has the right amount of power to whiz in and out of traffic. Small car, and this is like kind of like a little go-kart vibe. Small car that's fun to drive, so it's cool. I like how sporty the interior looks. I like how the way everything's laid out. You have like these cool Audi S Sport seats, black leather. You have a wireless charging tray over there. You have the Audi center screen over here with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You have a reverse camera with parking sensors. Volume dial over there, or this little circle thing. You also have heated seats, paddle shifters, S badge on the bottom of the steering wheel. You have these cool looking door handles, AC vents right up here, which is cool how it aims right towards your face. I like that. And the passenger has 2 vents as well. You have a Quattro badge. Pretty sure all of these are Quattro. And you have a sunroof, pretty decent size sunroof as well. You can close it. You have like this little mesh thing over there. But let's walk around this Audi and see what it looks like, and then we'll take it out on the road. Nice quality door handles. Nice metal ones, I like that. I like those little details, as you guys know. This one's finished in black exterior. You have silver wheels, drilled rotors, Audi Sport on the wheels, and you also have red calipers, which say S on them. That's nice. S3 badge on the front. You also have cool daytime running lights. Audi has some of the best looking daytime running lights in the business. They also have like this like polished platinum color mirror caps. Nice chrome. The rear seats actually look pretty spacious despite it being a small car. That's surprising. I actually am pretty surprised by that. That's kind of cool. Cap, here's the fuel cap. Quad outlet exhaust. Obviously the RS3 is going to give you like the black circles with the exhaust tips inside, but the regular S models will give you quad tips. They look pretty awesome. I love quad exhausts. S3 badge on the back. And here's the trunk. Yeah, it's a good looking car. Can't go wrong with this. But let's get out on the road. Put it in dynamic. Let's go now. As I mentioned, I really like the placement of these AC vents. They are fantastic. Aimed right towards the driver. Great way to cool down on a hot day. Yeah, it's quick, and it sounds good too. For a 4-cylinder, that sounds fantastic. Very impressive. And obviously it's expected that this car will be quick. It's a small car with over 300 horsepower. So this thing packs a punch. I've never driven an RS3, but I can only imagine how fun those are. I've heard great things about the RS3, and they look awesome too. I saw like a lime green one the other day, and it looks sick. Those things are really cool. I can only imagine how fun this would be with a manual transmission, but this automatic's really nice as well. Nice. Look at those pops and burbles. Very cool. This thing is really fun. The seats are a little bit on the stiffer side, but nonetheless, they're still comfortable in terms of side support. Like thigh support on the sides and lumbar support's pretty good. The seats are a little stiff, but they're still comfortable, which is nice. Like it doesn't feel like you're sitting on styrofoam. And blind spot alert on Audis, it's like those little lights on the side of the mirrors, on the inside of the mirrors, I mean. Steering is really nice. Like the steering rack's very well calibrated. Like it feels right when you turn the wheel, the responsiveness is great. And I really like the way this 4-cylinder sounds. It's shocking how good this 4-cylinder sounds. It has a very deep tone to it. Perfect amount of sound. This is great. I'm very impressed with this little S3. I didn't expect it to be this awesome. Man, I gotta get a video on an RS3 one of these days. I can only imagine how fun that is. Look at that steering. It's fantastic. But overall, we have concluded today's drive on this 2023 Audi S3 Premium Plus. Very, very fun to drive, looks cool, great exhaust and great steering. I really enjoyed this drive, and I think it's an awesome car. But thanks for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. Be sure to check out the link to Grubb's Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for very nice pre-owned performance vehicles like this S3.